What if I told you that the right digital presence could increase your restaurant profit by 40% in just 3 months? Your food might be incredible, but if your digital presence isn't seasoned properly, you're serving empty tables instead of hungry customers. I'm Andrea, the SEO Chef, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And today, I'll share the 6-ingredient recipe for turning your digital presence into a profit-boosting machine. Your digital presence is the appetizer that gets customers hungry for your main course. When people get hungry, they grab their phones and start browsing restaurants like they're reading a menu. Your competitors are already serving up their best digital dishes, while you're still hiding in the kitchen. Most restaurant owners think having a Facebook page is enough. That's like trying to run a restaurant with just salt and pepper in your spice rack. You need the full recipe. Let's start with the first ingredient: photos that make mouth water. Poor photos are like serving beautiful food on dirty plates. Use natural lights, clean presentations, and capture the steam rising from hot dishes. Your phone camera is perfect. You just need the right technique. Good photos are like seasoning. They enhance everything else you do online. Second ingredient: your website is your digital kitchen. It needs to work efficiently. Fast loading, easy to find menu, clear contact details, perfect mobile experience. A slow website is like making customers wait 10 minutes just to see your menu. Keep it simple, keep it fast, keep it functional. Third ingredient: 2 blog posts per month. Share your story, talk about ingredients, write about seasonal specials. Think of blogging like sharing your family recipes with your community. Google loves fresh content like customers love fresh bread. Every blog post brings new customers to your table. Fourth ingredient: social media is your daily special board. Showcase your best offering and create excitement. Pick the right platform: Instagram and TikTok for trendy cafes, Facebook and Google Business for fine dining. Post consistently, engage with comments, and use local hashtags. Think of it as an extension of your restaurant's atmosphere online. Fifth ingredient: 78% of hungry people search for restaurants on their phone while they're looking for somewhere to eat right now. Test this yourself. Search for your restaurant on your phone and try to find your menu within 10 seconds. Your mobile experience should be as smooth as your best sauce. And the last ingredient: when people search restaurant near me, Google serves up a digital menu of local options, accurate information, correct hours, phone, address, high-quality photos of food and interior. Respond to every review like you're thanking customers in person. Post weekly updates about specials. When you combine all these 6 ingredients properly, here's your typical recipe for the 40% profit boost. Month 1, you're prepping, updating photos, fixing your website, optimizing your Google Business profile. Month 2, flavors start blending. More engagement, local searches, website conversions. Month 3, full recipe cooking, new customers finding you. Existing customers returning more often, profit growing without increasing overhead. The secret sauce? Digital presence work 24/7, even when you're closed. You can have amazing recipes, but if people can't find you, you're basically invisible online. Start with 1 ingredient this week. Pick the easiest one and begin today. Then slowly use the other ingredients and add them to the recipe. And get the results in 3 months. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to stay updated with me. I'll see you next week. Ciao.